How many times have you studied a plan full of motivation and just days later, it completely fell apart? You look back and think, it all looked so perfect. What went wrong? Here's the truth. Most people build plans for when everything goes right. But the people who actually get results, they build plans for when it all goes wrong. That's why today I'm going to show you how to create a plan that actually works. Kind of plan the top 1% used to go from intention to execution. Just 3 steps, but downright, they change everything. First, set a real target. Saying I want to grow on YouTube is vague, but saying I'll post 2 videos per week for the next 30 days, that's clear, that's action, that's measurable. Same thing with weight loss. Don't say I want to get in shape. Say I'm losing 3 kilos by September 1st. Turn your wish into direction. Second, plan for the chaos. If you think everything will go smoothly, you are already off track. Top performers do it differently. They plan for the setbacks before they happen. If I get tempted to hit junk, I already have a healthy snack ready. If I feel lazy to film, I'll play a video that fires me up. If I hit a create block, I've got ideas saved. The formula is simple. If X happens, then I'll do Y. No panic. Third, lock your plan into your routine. Most people rely on willpower, but the truth is, willpower fails. The top 1%, they use what actually works, triggers and reminders. A trigger is something already in your day, like after breakfast, I check my goals, or before bed, I prep the next day. And reminders are visual cues. A phone alert, a sticky note on the mirror, a vision board in your room. The key is, don't let your plan get lost in the daily noise. At the end of the day, it's not about doing more. It's about doing better. It's not about luck. It's about method. And now that you've got the blueprint, tell me in the comments, what's your first move today?